Alright everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Andrew and today we're going to talk about 5 things going on with cryptocurrency. But before we get into it, if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. First things first, let's check out the total crypto market cap. Bitcoin making a little bit of a recovery. If you were watching it yesterday, we did have a little bit of a sell-off on for the weekly close, which was yesterday, and we did hit some lows yesterday, but it seems to have recovered. We're actually working on, let's find the chart first. We're working on getting a lot of, quite a bit of money back into the, into Bitcoin. As you can see here, we hit a Bitcoin dominance of 40%, and we're all the way back up, pushing 46, almost 47 right now. And then others dominance, obviously this is your altcoins, are coming right back down. Bitcoin did kind of, it's working. It was low yesterday. I think we could have got 3,420, and it looks like 37.5, 37.6 right now. So it is working on making a little bit of a comeback for us. Obviously, it's just been absolutely obliterated and did not manage to close the weekly above the EMA, which is up here. So we do actually have a close now below, which is weird for a bull market, but I'm not going to sound the alarm bells just yet until we actually see something bigger. It didn't hit a new low, as you can see, right? There's no new low on this weekly chart. It is a higher low. It appears maybe we could have a little bit of a move back into the market, up in the market. All right, so first things first, Elon Musk. After a market-wide meltdown, Elon Musk voices tepid support for cryptocurrency. After crippling market downturn that may be picking up steam after this weekend, in a tweet this morning, Elon Musk has voiced tepid support for cryptocurrencies. The Tesla CEO, whose about face concerning about accepting Bitcoin payments for new vehicles last week, was widely blamed as a catalyst for the downturn. Obviously, everyone was pissed off about that. He responded to a Twitter user who asked what he thinks about the peeps who are angry at him because of crypto. In response, Musk seems to take a long view of the situation, saying that crypto's primary challenge isn't short-term price action, but instead ongoing battle against fiat. So here's the tweet right here. Shifo says, "Yo, Elon, what do you think about the peeps who are angry at you because of crypto?" And he says, well, the truth is, the true battle is between fiat and crypto. On balance, I support the latter. So he's saying he supports the crypto over fiat. And he goes on to clarify, to be clear, he does strongly believe in crypto, but I can't drive a massive increase in fossil fuel use, especially coal. So we're still talking about the coal usage in China, which with the China crackdowns, a lot of this stuff, a lot of these mining facilities in mainland China, the ones that are using coal, China is actually trying to crack down on those. There's a lot of mining facilities that are not in the coal, they're not using coal, and they're using hydro, etc. And China is not cracking down on those so much. It's more the really dirty power, the coal power. China is actually, it appears to me like they're trying to crack down on those regions of China, which I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's Mongolia, which is really bad for coal usage. And maybe it's not Mongolia. Yes, Mongolia is really bad for coal usage, and then there's some provinces that are mainly hydro. So thing number 2 here, because of thing number 1, we have thing number 2. NYU professor says Elon Musk is attracting regulators to crypto. Regulatory action expected in 30 days. And if you ask me, if someone takes to Twitter every 2 seconds and moves the market the way that Elon Musk has, a lot of people, well, I don't know, hundreds of millions, but millions of people have lost money and have been hurt because of this. So Musk is really displaying that a regulatory action should be taken. We should not have people like Musk or, back in the day it was John McAfee. Every tweet, every post of his would shake the market, move the market. Everyone, we shouldn't have people in the market who are able to manipulate and change things and really shake things out and really change everything for the better or worse, right? Up and down, the way that Musk has been able to do. So NYU Professor says he expects regulatory action in the next 30 days to hopefully counteract things like what happened with Elon Musk. And he also expects to see a Musk coin or a Tesla coin launched soon. I expected something like that as well. A Musk coin, Tesla coin, or a mining facility that mines Bitcoin with green energy. So this NYU professor and I are on the same page on that one. I do believe something like that is probably coming. Thing number 3. What has actually happened with Bitcoin? Because the real world has voted. And they actually believe blank about Bitcoin. So, what do you think it is? Goldman Sachs a couple months ago resumed its cryptocurrency desk after getting cold feet back in 2018. I remember that in 2018 they were saying, oh yeah, we're going to do it. We're not going to do it. We're going to do it. There's no, customers don't want it. And now they finally are back into it. Fast forward to 21, they opened their trading desk for cryptocurrencies and began dealing BTC future contracts. Furthermore, it offered BTC derivatives to its peers on Wall Street. The thing that has really changed that most people now believe, or most people in cryptocurrency now believe versus 2016, 17, 18, 13 even, is most people do believe that Bitcoin is scarce and a way to hedge against inflation. So the thing people are actually realizing is that Bitcoin is a good store of value, and people are getting in on the trade, right? It may not seem like it in a broader market sell-off, but people are getting into the trade, and they're getting in on Ethereum as well. And these charts are just explaining the evolution of this and the market more than anything. What the first quarter of 2021 witnessed was a continuing trend of Bitcoin's institutional adoption. People believe in Bitcoin as a store of value. So Polkadot has recovered a bit from the sell-off, but it's currently still down quite a bit. Let's take a look at Polkadot real quick here. If we look at the weekly chart, Polkadot was all the way up, basically just shy, a couple cents shy of $50. And we've fallen all the way down to 13%. That is a huge, huge move down. So Polkadot has recovered sharply. The whole broader market kind of recovered sharply a little bit from yesterday, the sell-off, but it is still down a whole lot. If we take a look at Polkadot, Polkadot is down... Polkadot's down 45% from its highs, and you can see that we had a high at about $50, just shy of $50. It's currently at $20, but it hit a low all the way of $13. But it is looking to kind of move back up, hit its low yesterday, it looks like, actually, and does appear to be moving back up, or maybe, over the Friday, and it does appear to be moving back up a little bit. But it has a long way to go. And technically, the thing with Polkadot is nothing has changed for Polkadot. There's no issues with Polkadot. nothing has changed. So I think that this is a great buy, being as I have a little bit of Polkadot. I think that it's great to pick up. Obviously not financial advice, but I think it is a good pickup here at these prices, as nothing has changed for the Polkadot ecosystem. And this is more than likely we're going to see it, go back to its $50. And, I think it can really go to $100 and above for Polkadot in the future. All right, thing number 5, Uniswap. Uniswap version 3 is now the largest decentralized exchange on Ethereum, which is, Ethereum is DeFi, just 2 weeks after the launch of version 2. Let's take a look real quick. So we have Uniswap v2 is taking on 12.4 billion, it appears, and v3 was at 6.5 billion, but the volume will surpass is set to surpass, v2 by the end of May. So basically within the next week, we do expect to see Uniswap version 3 overtake Uniswap version 2 within, the next, 7 days here. So below is a breakdown of the stats. You can see Uniswap is the darker color, and then we have SushiSwap, the lighter blue, Balancer. These are all the shares of the market that they have. Obviously, Uniswap is by far the largest used, and Uniswap v3 is off to a good start. It is going to flip Uniswap version 2, so that is great news for everyone who is using Uniswap v3. It looks like you're overtaking v2, but Uniswap remains strong as well, which is why, again, this is a great coin to pick up when it is, let's go to Uniswap, when it is off of its highs, right? I think we had a high over here of $45, and we hit a low all the way $13, right? And the RSI just completely sold out in the oversold, so about 25 on the RSI. So Uniswap is another one of those tokens that I have a little bit of, not very much, but it is something that is gonna come back. They have the volume, and there is a lot of money behind it. It's, down 42% off of this sell-off. So it is a good coin to consider picking up. And in the last little... And in the last bit of news, you have DeFi token prices obliterated as Bitcoin sell-offs knocks total loan to value under 100 billion. You have a lot of DeFi darlings, blue chips down more than 60%. And let's take a look at the others' dominance. We were talking about that. I mean, we had hit a high of 17.29, and we dropped all the way back to 12 trillion. So it is, 12 billion, I believe, is what this is. 1,200 billion, 1.2. Or no, excuse me, I'm wrong, completely wrong. This is a percentage. They had 17% of the total market cap versus 12% of the total market cap, excuse me. So we had DeFi token obliterated as, all DeFi tokens were obliterated as Bitcoin sell-off knocks total loan to value under 100 billion. DeFi darlings, there's a lot of Uniswap, Ethereum, Aave. They're all kind of just obliterated. And that is to say that we do see, I do believe that these are going to come back because nothing has changed. There's no fundamental change in these tokens. A lot of it is just based off of what Bitcoin is doing, obviously. So the others dominant. So this is the altcoin, 17.27% of the market. at the high, and then all the way down to 12% of the market. That's a really big sell-off for a lot of these DeFi tokens. But I do believe the strong projects, the really good projects, Uniswap, Aave, VeChain, I believe that these are Theta, these are all going to come back. It's just they're part of the broader market sell-off currently. But I do believe that's going to change slowly. I think things are going to come back around, and we will see these go back to previous highs and then on to higher highs. That's it for today. If you liked this content, please do subscribe, like, and comment on this video and to my channel. That is it for today. If you liked this content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Thanks so much, and I will see you later.